Hi my friend, welcome to my channel Live with Freedom Forever, and today we will see the Windows Server 2008 about the two clients with different networks. They will connect with the server, so how they can do. Let's start. For that reason we need one server and two router and two computers. So as you have seen in my previous video how you can add, so we'll just jump directly to that. And here you can see that I already have this connection up to here I have, so I need these two only. So for that reason I need another router. So with Ctrl O I am just bringing another router. The router 2. And also I need one more client. So we have one server is 1 GB and router as you is the same, and then we have this client, and then we have router 2 and we have client 2. So just client 2 we need to configure because it's occupying memory 2 GB, so we need the memory of 512, just 512 up to here. And host, okay, client 2, okay, everything is okay. Suppress, okay. So let's start. Let's switch on all the so I'll be back when everything will be up. It will take a couple of minutes. Okay, so our client is on, and also the server is taking a little time, so okay, so the server is up. As you know, that's how to enter. You just need to click on here. Here is mentioning Control to delete. So here you click and then administrator, just so this computer, this setup is new, so for that reason we need to, for the client 2 we need to make something change here. So you saw it's on the video one, the previous video. Whatever we did, the same things you need to make it. So for this time I am just showing you, but the others videos from now and onwards I will not make this configuration again and again. So from here you need to first change the computer name. And so as I told you, that my client will be in the Spanish version because I don't have any other version. So this will be client 2. I will restart after some time. For that reason I am restart later, and then I need to in run. So you need to Windows R the key. So here you need to type the sysprep, and in the sysprep you double click and just this option, the first option, and here the restart option, and then okay, accept. So that's all from this side. And the router, as we don't need to change anything in this client, and the router 1, this router 1 will be here and router 2 will be here. So we need to ping the IP from this one to this one, 200, 200, 150. Just let's try to check if it's ping or not. So okay, it's okay, it's working fine. In router 2 we need to enter, and we need to configure the client in the meantime. Let's see. So how it will work? This will work like suppose if this one want to ping client 2, then what you'll do, it will go here, and then means it will ask the IP is 172.168.17.3, no? So it will go here, then it will send it to here, and then it will send it to here, and from here it will send it to here, and from here it will go to here. So like this it's traveling. And if this one want to ping this one, so it will go same here, and from here it will tell yes, in my table I know this is your direction here. So like this ping will happen. I hope you will understand. Thank you. So just double click or go to the properties, then from here the property, if it's 100 is there, yes, 100 is there, so we don't need anything from here. So this one is done. Okay, check the connection of the router. For this one, up to this we don't need nothing, so it's okay. Up to there is okay, but here we need to get the default gateway. So properties, this default gateway. So default gateway, this one will be this router. So let's try 192.168.1.1. Okay, sorry, there is, this is 10. Sorry, I'm making a problem. This is 1 and 1 to 154. It was my mistake. Okay, close. So that's done. And client, it has okay, it's the IP 10 is okay. So IP 10. So now we need to configure the router 2. So let's configure the router 2. Properties, router 2 will be 192.168.1.254. okay, and the gateway is 192.168.1.1, this one. Okay, and this one 172.117.3.1. So at this moment this one is not here. As this one is not here, so this PC is probably cannot get the network. and about the client is 3.10 and 3.1. 17.3.1 is okay, and 3.10 is having problem because we didn't configure, let's say, the client. We didn't configure the client till now. So here I will left as it is. I will not change anything. Next, and just I am giving a name. Just making the Sun PC. And password. Just later. Just next, and to working network, right? Select the working network. So you can see that from this router we can ping up to this computer. So it's possible to ping there. It's taking time, so in the meantime we will do a thing that's in this server we'll create a folder. So in computer you can create folder in two ways. One is like in command prompt, and another is in like this in graphical user interface. Suppose I create a folder. And I want to share this folder. So you can give the share from here, or you can do it through command prompt also. Done. All the folder is shared. So this folder we can get from here also, if we sorry you can see that this is the folder we shared. So let's see this folder, this client can see or not. Just same things. It's asking you user ID and password. So you have to make a user in the server. So in that way you can give access to this person. So we'll do it after sometimes. We'll do it. So this client is active now. So let's configure the network for the client. This network is 172.17.3.10. and the default gateway is, as we make, I hope that's this one 3, because this one is IP. So accept, close. So let's try. Make it work. Close. Ping. Okay. And so as it's connected, let's see, we can ping the server or not. Wow, you see, we can ping the server also. And from here, if we want to get the folder, is asking. So for that reason we need, for the 2 PC we need 2 clients. We'll make those clients. So let's create 2 user. One is for client 1 and another is for client 2. So here we need to create user. So we'll enter to the server manager. And from the server manager we need to add to user. The user is in configuration. Local user. Users. So here we will create 2 user. So I make 2 user. One user is Apple. Just make as you prefer. No need. Just give a password. As you prefer, you just mention there. So one user has created. We need to create another user. It's client 2. I don't want to change my password at this moment, for that reason I just giving here. Then create. So we have already 2 users, you see. One is Apple, another is Sun. And you can change anything anytime you want. You can change. If you want to modify anything, you can do. So we have already 2 users. So these 2, like APPLE and SUN, we need to create in our here also in the client. You go and you go to the users panel. You need to enter. So from here you just need to type the administrator. So the administration, or you can enter here also, but it's the group, you need to enter the group. So we'll enter here users and group, local group, And then users, here we have Apple, so that's good. We can modify it. You can add a password, because as we have the password in the server. So continue, you can add a password, new password. Accept. It has password. And for client 2 also, administrator, device administration, and here to the users, and Sun, we have Sun. This one when we created this PC, okay, this is not the things that say yes, I just got those because I created in the server. At this moment, no. In future, yes, I will show you in another way. So or here we can create another user, like test 1 server test 1. Okay, this one full name, okay, great. So we have server test 1 also. So here we can create a new user, as same like here, server test 1, and name whatever you want to give here, no problem, but it's better to give wherever is there. No, it's the same password, never expert. Create, close. So we have this one. So now what we'll do here, press this one, close session, or you can press the Ctrl L also to change the user, but I'm closing the session. This is close session, and now it has Apple, suppose the Sun will enter. Apple, we enter. So now we will try to get the device, this one. When we enter with the user and the password like this, then you got this one directly. From here also, if we want to get the device, client 2, you see we can access this device. What it would if we didn't have this user, we had another user, it's not the same. suppose that's just let's check. Let's check here. I'll make another user. Someone. So let's enter. Sorry, I entered totally from my computer because I pressed another key. So you can see now this hi. This user, if I want to enter, I give my sorry. So now we are in this computer. So now if I make to enter to this one, the folder to access by that user, you will see that this user, for this user, is asking the password, the user ID and password, because we didn't mention this user can access the information of the server, because Sun and Apple, we make Sun and Apple, we gave the password, and the same password we enter our client here. One is Apple and another is Sun, we enter. So if we enter change the user, if I enter with the Sun, this is the password from server as we created. So when I enter with this, so now if I want to access this one, it will directly directly I can open with another user, but I need the password and the user ID. So I hope you understood. So thank you, and to be with me. I hope that we can continue the total lesson. In next lesson we will see some more interesting things like DCP, and we'll continue like that. And if I see that yes, people are more interested, then I will show the Exchange server also. Thank you.